We are in the beautiful town of Muna, in the midst of tea plantations.
Quick stop for some masala corn.
We arrived at Mettupatti Dam.
Next stop is Eco Point. We got tea. Good morning guys and welcome back to another video from our trip in Kerala.
This time we are on our way to Allepey,
Yes,
to the houseboat.
Yes, we left Munnar at 6:30 in the morning and now we made a pit stop at Kottayam to have some coffee and a little breakfast. And then we are again off to Allepey to get on our houseboat. See you there. And we have arrived.
Yes, it's finally time to get into the houseboat and enjoy the scenic backwaters.
Yay! Okay, welcome Coco. Alright, it's time for lunch, and since we are in Allepey, in the backwaters, we are having a freshwater fish. What's the name of it?
It's in Malayalam it's called karimin. It's a very traditional fish. It's not seawater, freshwater fish. It's freshwater, not from the sea, and it's very tasty.
So, let's try.
Mix it with sambar. With the rice.
The rice? Okay, I have to mix it with sambar.
Good. यहाँ से दाल आना.
Okay, now we can try. Nice. Alright, time to enjoy. Food is in the belly, coffee as well, and it's time to show you our houseboat. So we entered from here, which is the main dining area. It's quite big. We have a big boat because we are 7 adults, so we have 4 rooms. And here is our content that has the best spot and the best view. We can see all the backwaters very well. Great. Let's go to the upper deck. There is a very nice view from there as well. So here basically we have another lounge area. There are some couches here that we can sit and enjoy the view. And I believe that this place can be converted into a dining area because there are 2 sinks there as well. and let's go to the rooms. As I said, we have 4 rooms, but they are identical, so we're just gonna show you ours. It's here. So there's a nice queen-sized bed. And then this is my favorite part. We have a window that we can see the backwaters from our bed, so I just can't wait for the sunrise. Then we have a small vanity area here, and they have also given us some shampoos, toothpaste, toothbrush. And also every room comes with an ensuite bathroom, which is here. The bathroom is quite basic, but this is what we want from a boat. And the fact that each room has its own bathroom is great. So yeah, this is our house for one day.
So for the evening, we have our chefs in the houseboat have prepared few snacks, and they are typical of Kerala. And these are, here you go. These are called parampuri or banana fritters.
Okay, so we're making a quick stop to buy fish if we want. So in general, all the meals are included, but if you want something more special like some prawns or some crab, then they stop at the fish market, and then you can go buy for yourself. It's in a local village, so regardless of what we're gonna do, it's really interesting to see. Guys, it is already evening. In general, like, the vacations on the houseboat are quite chill, and we don't do much. We were cruising in the backwaters, then we stopped in the village to get some lobster, which is our dinner, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. Some chilling, some games. So now it's time for dinner, and since we are in the backwaters, we do have seafood, and one of them is lobster, so let's go check out what the rest of the dinner is. Fish fry.
This is kingfish.
Kingfish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kingfish.
What is that?
Sorry, nee, dat is
This is chicken
Chicken.
curry,
Chicken curry.
chicken curry.
okra vegetable,
Okay.
potato,
Ξέρεις τι είναι, παιδιά?
Dal.
Αυτό είναι τέτοιος.
Dal.
and
Μπάμιες.
Ναι.
And fish
Kingfish.
fry.
Kingfish.
Μπάμιες είναι.
Τι γίνεται πρωί.
And we're still waiting for the lobster.
Γιατί μια χαρά θα
Are we waiting for the lobster?
Yes, we are.
Excited for the lobster?
I want lobster. I want lobster.
Kerala style.
Kerala style. Awesome. So, dinner plate is ready, and Chris is already killing it. Is it good? How's the lobster?
Just gonna try.
You're just gonna try? Okay, try and let us know.
Very nice. Very
Okay,
tasty.
my turn. You wanna give me a bite? I'm waiting.
Παππού δεν είναι στακός. Παππού δεν είναι στακός.
guys. We just woke up in our houseboat. It's about 7 in the morning and we just can't get over this view that we have from the window. Again, like in Munar, the weather is not exactly on our side, but it's not raining too badly and it doesn't really affect us when we are on the boat. So yeah, today is the checkout. We will have to leave. We have to be back by 9, I think. So we have one last breakfast to enjoy and let's go for it. So breakfast is served and we have coffee, of course, pineapple juice, toast, and then this is papaya, some other mixed fruits, and this is Kerala pancake. Do you know what it has inside?
I think it has something to do with coconut.
Oh,
It should be a bit sweetish, I believe.
okay.
I have to try
There's
it.
something more.
That's omelette.
Omelette.
Omelette, yay. Alright. Let's dive in. This marks the end of our trip to the mesmerizing backwaters of Allepey. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this type of content, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as we have more of travel videos coming. We will see you in our next video from Kerala. Bye! The end.